So, abracadabra. Whoa! That was cool. So let's put it over this entire table. So now to do this protection spell, we need to spin the table 3 times, then pick up my wand and say abracadabra. 1, 2, 3. Abracadabra. It's gone. Let's see. Guys, I totally missed the wrong spell there. Well, I need time to think for a second. Okay, I got the perfect plan. So I need to put this over the stand. And I'm going to need your guys' help. I'm going to count to 3, then everyone's going to say abracadabra, okay? 1, 2, 3. Abracadabra!